these types of women, nobody should ever ask you to replace. Once a woman is doing these things I'm mentioning, she wants you to replace her. Stop making excuses or watch her make excuses for herself. She doesn't like you. She doesn't want you. She will not accept you. She will not want you. Neither will she ever love you. So if you're noticing this, that woman needs to be replaced. Do not wait for somebody to start telling you, let her go. Leave her alone. So if you're noticing this, she needs to be let go of. This is spell solution. So number one is that woman that often make you feel that you are 1 minute away to be replaced by another man. She makes you always feel like that. If you talk, and this thing you can't do for me, another man is willing to do it. And if you don't want to do it, leave. Or you have issues with her, she can go days making you question yourself, making you feel, oh, these days she has gone. So many men you will see, if I didn't reach out, she's going to have another man is going to call her. If she constantly make you feel that way, guy, you're not in a relationship. She cannot put you under pressure that you need to be competing with other men for her time, for her attention, for her love, for her care, and you feel you will still hold a place in her life. It is not possible. For her to even let you compete, it means you have no place in her life at all. So there is no point proving anything. There is no point seeking validation from her because you can't prove anything. She has decided she will never see anything. So no matter how much you seek validation, you are already making yourself look low, small before her. So don't do it. Just replace her immediately. Then number two, a woman that always forgets. She always feels she's always forgets most of the things you tell her. Then after telling her for years, she will keep repeating what has happened in the past. Most of the issues you have in the past for 1 year when you met her, she will keep on repeating them, bringing those problems up. She doesn't forgive. A woman that doesn't forgive is a very, very dangerous woman. A woman that something will happen it happened in last month, last 3 months, last 5 months, last year, last 2 years, but each time you have little misunderstanding with her, she will keep on bringing those things up. She will keep on telling you, oh, that is how you did this. Even most times, even though you've apologized, she find it difficult letting it go. That kind of a woman will harm you because women only remember what they are intending to do to you. They don't remember most of your sacrifices. They remember those hurt you did to them. They remember most times how you treat them well. But you see a woman that only remembers most of the things most of the things you did to her wrong, always bringing them up, is a woman that has decided this is the only thing she's going to remember about you. She will punish you dearly because of it. So nobody should tell you to let go of a woman like that. Then number three, a woman who finds it difficult celebrating you. You're telling her, oh, in our working place, I want this. My boss did this to me. She will make you feel you don't want it. It's because you did this. That is why you got it. It's not a big deal. If she cannot celebrate you, she wants you to always look down on yourself. And for a person to want to bring you down by all means, that means there is something about you that's scared of. She's scared of maybe your boldness, your growth. So she's scared that you will be better than her. So because of that, she needs to constantly put you down, for you to constantly look at yourself less. Celebrate every of your win. If she can't celebrate your wins with you, she is an evil person. You cannot live with her. It will be a very competitive marriage and a competitive relationship. For how long are you going to, or are you willing to engage her in competition? Union, marriage that is supposed to be companionship. You both will be there competing. Who will win? Who will not win? Most time you even help her celebrate her wins, those small small wins, but she hardly celebrates your win. That means she's not proud of you. Never will she be proud of you. Never will she accept you. She wants to be in a she wants to even hold the power of that relationship. So there is no point. Most times you'll be the one telling her, do you know I'm a man? Instead of you constantly telling her your place in her life and in the relationship. It's best you dump her. It's best you replace her. Nobody should tell you that. Then number 4, you see a woman that always, you will see her, she will, everything that is happening, everything that happens, no one is everly her fault. Even when she's at fault, it is never her fault. Other people will make mistake. Even you, when you talk, she's rude, she shout, she yell. Even when you're peaceful, the way the way you tell her things, the way you communicate, the way you're calm, you're peaceful with it. But she's not peaceful. You tell her, okay, I want to support you, I want to do this. When you're doing it, she will feel, if that thing now go wrong, even when she did something herself, the thing went wrong, she will always have reason to point it back. It is because I told you to wake me by 2. You now woke me by 2:30. That is why this thing flopped. That is why she would never thank you. Okay, thank you because you even wake me by, oh, I think it's my fault. I think I didn't do it well. She never takes responsibility. If she always blame every other person but not herself, guy, you will always walk on an eggshell. That's how you'll be working with her. Because everything that happens, even when she's not happy, that you have nothing to do with it, she will always blame you. You are the cause. And most times, she will always transfer aggression you know nothing about. She will transfer it to you. Most times, you guys, nothing happened. You did not quarrel with her. You did not say anything to her. Just see her came back. She started keeping malice. She doesn't want to talk to you. You'll be searching your mind. But I spoke to her this morning. We were fine. Nothing happened. She left. I even drove her off. We both hugged each other. We both hugged ourselves, waved each other goodbye. Now she's back. Now she's keeping malice with me. I'm even talking to her. She's shouting at me. You can never keep her. She wants to always make you feel anything she feel outside. As she's coming inside, you will feel the heat. Now ask yourself, how long do you want to live like that? If you do not want to live like that, nobody should tell you to replace her. Because you see, your life will be a chaos. You cannot please a woman like this. She's happy now. Tomorrow she's not happy. Next minute she's angry. You don't even know what you will do to always keep her that happy. And you can't actually make her that happy. So it's best you replace her immediately. A woman that constantly tests you. A woman that constantly tests you is a woman that constantly wants to see weakness from you. If she always focus on seeing your weaknesses, she will constantly test you. But if she knows that, this guy, he has passed this test, so there's no need to test him again. I've seen his strength, so let me focus on his strength rather than his weakness. She will not, once you pass that test, she will leave it. But if you see her constantly test you, she will be like, I went out today. I followed a man to his house. You say, what do you mean you followed a man to his house? She'll be like, don't worry, I'm joking. What kind of joke is that? Immediately she say it. Don't even ask her, what do you mean? Who is the man? She'll be like, he's my ex. Keep quiet. Don't respond to her. Tell her to pack her things immediately and go and stay with the ex. You're no longer interested. If she tell you she's joking, insist she go stay with her ex. Sometimes when they constantly want to test you, they really want you to be, they want to see you too jealous, too needy, too desperate. And if you make the mistake of being, that means you've lost your masculinity. She will lose her feminine frame and she start acting in her masculine frame. That is a woman who doesn't accept you, a woman who doesn't want you, a woman who doesn't love you, a woman who is not attracted to you, and she's looking for means to hold something, that this is what she can hold to control you. Don't give it to her. Then sixth and the last one. You see, any woman you know that you see her, she's perfect. You'll see her, she's always perfect. Each time you're doing what she wants, you see her perfect. She's laughing, she's happy, she's all over the place because you're doing what she wants. The day you say no to her, yay, she will forget all the good you've been, all the nicest things you've ever said or done to her. She will forget all of them. She doesn't want you to say no because she feels she owns you. She feels she can control you. She feels she's the only one that has the right to say no to you, but you don't have that right. Nobody should tell you to replace her, because keeping her is endangering your own life. It's making her know that I can just keep you even when I'm not happy. You cannot make her make you unhappy. Make yourself happy by replacing her with someone who doesn't have this attitude. There is always a woman who will treat you nice and better. If she is not the one, replace her immediately. This is Spark Solution. Don't forget to share, like, and drop your thought what you think about this video. Thank you. Don't forget to share.